Hey, how you doing? Austin here. Let's talk about crypto.com coin, Crow coin. And should you buy it in December? That is the point of this video. That's what the thumbnail talked about. I'm going to give you my 2 cents. We're going to look at this article and we're going to have a brief conversation. So I will tell you up front that I'm not being paid by anybody at crypto.com and in tokens or dollars of any kind to produce this video. So producing it because I am a fan of crypto.com and I think there's some very interesting things that they're doing on the marketing front. Obviously, we all know a lot about that, and also what they're really doing on the staking front. There is some very interesting stuff on the staking. I'm going to give you some guidance around that here in a few minutes as well. But should you buy it in December 2021? Should you buy it? And that's really kind of the overriding discussion point. Video, not for entertainment purposes only. Again, do your own due diligence, right? Okay. So here's what I really want to show you. It's that we all know that Crow, I bought Crow right when it was about, I think, 11 cents is when I first bought in. And obviously done real well with that. But they have been after that. In the last couple of months, they've been on a marketing tear. They have spent an inordinate, there's what I was wanting to say, an inordinate amount of money, there you go, marketing their brand. And I think it's smart. The cool thing I love about them marketing their brand is it markets the entire crypto market as well, which is actually kind of a side benefit, all right? So they did a sponsor with the UFC. Then they have now done the $700 million deal to rename the Staples Center, the Crypto.com Center. They have put together a massive advertising campaign. We've all seen it's really, really well done with Matt Damon, one of my favorite actors out there, global, obviously, actor presence, etc. And now they've acquired some smaller exchanges, NADEX, and another one that is not listed here, but you get my point. Okay, so from the pricing standpoint, here's what's interesting. Okay, so Crow really had a great November when the overall market was really down. Okay, and it moved it up. It pushed its market cap to 16 billion, etc. And then it's kind of faded back a little bit. All right, it has fallen back to double digits. Indeed, it reacted mildly to the acquisitions made Wednesday. Doesn't really surprise me. Okay, the coin is hovering at the same level as the 25-day and 50-day moving averages. Okay. Here's what I want to point out. Okay, so what this article is not taking into consideration, let me show you real quickly. It's not taking into consideration that the overall market is down. The overall market is down fairly significantly, 3%, 2 or 3%. It was 3.3 earlier today. It's come back a little bit, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. And that's going to impact Crow. Okay, that is absolutely going to impact Crow in one way or the other. And you can see right here, Crow's at a $17 billion market cap, number 14 out of all of them. To me, whether or not you buy Crow or not in December, first quarter 22, is all about how you look at the long-term viability of it. Do you believe that crypto.com is going to get bigger and it's going to bring in more people? And do you, by default, do you think they're going to continue to do marketing? Do you think that the token price is going to rise in accordance with the popularity of crypto.com? If the answer is yes, 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 then there is no reason not to buy Crow in December or first quarter. Again, not investing advice. You do what's right for you. My opinion. Okay, that's how I look at it. That's how I look at it. Okay, and that's really it. I mean, and I think again, right now it's basically right here. It's running at about 11% discount in the last 7 days. Okay, and it's flat right now. It's down right now because the entire market is down. It's a top 14 crypto, and with that said, it's going to move in accordance with the overall market. Okay, so again, it comes back to your expectation, to your mentality. Do you believe that it is a long-term viable coin or token that should be that you think is going to go up in value? Is crypto.com here to stay? I would say yes. Okay, so let's shift gears. Crypto.com is doing some very interesting stuff on staking. Let me show you this. Again, not investing advice. I'm not being paid by them, but I thought this was really cool and I wanted to show this to you. So if you have a crypto.com account, okay, go into that account and go into down in that lower left, that little button right there where it says card, and then you'll see this screen right here, okay? And if you look at these different cards, and I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. So this is if you stake a certain amount of Crow, you get 10%. Where is it at? Right there, 10% staking reward. So you get 10% APY, and for that particular card, you need to right there purchase and hold $4,000 worth of CRO. Now, the interesting thing about their staking program is that they have what I call kickers, okay? And that's like where they give you additional benefits, like additional CRO on top of the standard APY. But also, if you stake more, like let's say you stake and you go for the icy white card, if you will, okay, then you can roll up and get 12% CRO plus 2%. 12% staking rewards plus 2% additional CRO. But it also gives you the ability to stake other things, obviously like USD, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., and get some pretty significant staking rewards in there as well. Okay, so again, I am very, very, very impressed with Crypto.com's staking initiative, and they are absolutely trying to go out and really get a ton of people to stake, different coins and tokens and things of that nature on their platform. Very interesting. So check that out if that's something you've been thinking about doing. It's definitely something I'm doing in the near future, and in fact, I'm moving there as soon as I can, and to start staking some stuff as well. They're not the only game in town. I mean, Coinbase has staking. Everybody has some staking, but when you're looking at staking, look at the what is the APY? Look at, do you get access to your money, things of that nature. Just read the fine print, and yeah, there you go. So with all that said, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you later. Take it easy.